How to uninstall Java on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And for this, right click on the start button, choose settings. From the left pane, choose apps. Thereafter go to right side and click on installed apps. Click on it. All the apps installed in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system will appear here, and here find out the Java apps. Scroll down and you will find the Java and update. Click on three dot and choose uninstall to uninstall Java and its update from Windows 11 and Windows 10. One another method is also second way to remove Java app. Go to Windows search, type cp, open control panel. Here go to program and features option. Here find out your Java apps, click on it, choose uninstall. A pop-up window will appear. Again choose uninstall and click on yes to confirm. That's all.